Welcome, guys. So, yesterday evening I went to Belleville Caribbean Festival, and it was really a fun time. You know, it wasn't overcrowded. There was a lot of Jamaican food, whole heap of jerk chicken and oxtail and patty, cocoa bread, and then there was Trinidadian food. There was doubles. For those of you who know, you know, right? And there was steel pan music and reggae music, and I met this interesting guy. He come from Belleville, which is southeastern Ontario, small enough town, and he at 15 years old decided that he wanted to be a reggae music artist. And this guy is a white guy, he's a dread, and his name is Ja Pikney, and he went to Jamaica, he said, after he decided he wanted to do this reggae music. But if you hear him kind of sound authentic, you know. And then I got an opportunity to interview him and his wife, and slight little pictures of their kids and stuff. And I'll give you some pictures of the whole vibe. As I say, it wasn't very crowded, but I think that as the years go by, will be, because it's really a nice time, you know. It started at noon, I think, and went till 11 o'clock at night. Beautiful day, the weather was perfect for it. So I'm just sharing the vibe, a couple snippets of the videos. I have a little doubt as to whether I'll be allowed to play the music for you because of copyright issues, but you know, in the instance where I can't, I'll link to the actual music for you. So I hope you enjoy this, and also please remember, subscribe, like, share, you know the drill, right? Subscribe and share with your friends and family, and see you. I hope you enjoy this, okay? Enjoy.
Run it again. I drew the dollar sign. I drew the dollar sign. Let no few lose their mind. I drew the dollar sign. The dollar sign. I drew the dollar sign. Let no girl go out and wine. I drew reading. No for them say don't see them now. How no for them lose them well. We more try to turn out. Because I did dollar sign, no get killed, and no for them lose them mind. And no say them parent grow them, no red eye, and no for them adapt bad mind. No for them are one. They got the prodigies, and so they don't take a grade. They know it's not the right way, but to the fast one, they end up in a cemetery. Too greedy, no for them say, oh, see the love, and no for them lose them way. Three more try to run away, in a me one man to kill it, and I go astray. Too greedy, no for them, but we see the love, and no for them lose them way. Three more try to run away, in a me one man to kill it, and I go astray. Me and them to be changing ways and give thanks and praise. With the little way them have, I know we grew up in a Babylon. Try be pretty right, try not free, nothing wrong. You respect your elders, the youth. Don't wanna eat them, the youth. So me say time will tell. See they know in a boat, but tell you them in a swell. To breathe it, no part them. Pull it up, see them down. Pull it up. The solid rock for head cornerstone that the builders refused. Yeah. Belleville second annual Caribbean Festival. You having a good time? Good food, good music, good vibes. Yeah. Well, check this out. You want to hear a new song? Brand new song. This song's not even released yet. It's coming very soon. Keep your eyes open. JaPikney.com, Instagram at Ja Pikney Music, Facebook at Ja Pikney Music. Keep your eyes open on Spotify, Apple Music, everything. This song is called Don't Give In. Selecta, run it for me now. Listen. When I'm already, I believe a song about the ganja. Then I believe a song with some dicks. Then I believe a song about the wine and shit. Tell me which song will come next. All about the drinking and the party and the thug life. And if you say that's not right, but if a song they have to hear to feel them itchy leaves on, let them feel them sin is alright. But when you have to stop and come to a senses, the word on it on next stage you record that. Just come in the shield, not to be the fences. I'm thinking it worth something like a fish that.
It's free.
With a up, with a down, with a smile, with a frown, never stick in the stone, never wrong, with a rock down, never shut down, never slow down, then not step down. With a night, with a day, with a breath, with a brain, with a fight, with a strength, yeah, fight, some brain, with a night, shine bright, and so we say.
Let me be quiet when I rise and loose. Let me be calm when the storm breaks through. Help me be still when I feel it's no use. Teach me to pray. Teach me to
So we sing again.
Fire when I rise and lose.
All right.
Let me be calm when the storm breaks through.
Oh yeah.
Help me be still
to pray. Oh Lord. Yeah.
Price paid the price, and that's all the price. Yeah, I am a brand new creation. Something's from my past, something in my past. Yeah, it was a real transformation. I said it all on the cross. And brand new, brand new, I'm brand new.
Belleville, love you. God bless. Enough respect and prayers all the time. Love you.
Welcome, guys. So I'm here with Ja Pikney, right? And I came here today, and I came to this Belleville festival, Belleville Caribbean Festival, and I hear this guy singing up on the stage, and this white guy with dreads, and I'm like, wait, this is good Jamaican music, and I had to sing, like I had to get into it, and really enjoyed it. So, Ja Pikney, like, what made you get into this music? Like,
You know, it was just a God-given passion, really. I was 11 years old, and I just felt this inexplicable love for Jamaican culture, Jamaican music, Jamaican food, Jamaican people,
Yeah.
patois, the way they spoke, everything.
Yeah.
Loved it.
So-
And the only thing I can attribute to is just a God-given passion.
yeah, when him on the stage, you know, guys, it's like a real yardie, you know, like him just do it the right
Some
way,
people say I
right?
have two personalities. But no, Ja Pikney and Tim, we're one and the same.
Tim,
Yeah,
Tim is your right name?
Tim is my real name.
Okay, so how old were you when you started to do this, Tim?
When I was 11, I started writing songs, but my first album came out when I was 17.
That's really, really big.
Yeah.
And I want to tell you something, like, him sing all kind of music, but what I caught tonight was a Christian vibe, like a God-loving vibe. And the music is just like, it's just perfect, right? I know you guys would love it, so I filmed some of it, but I don't know if YouTube will let me play it. So maybe what I'll do is, if they don't, I will play some other else music in the background, and I will link to this music in the background so that you can hear this for yourself, because it's rocking, okay? And then while he's up on the stage, I see this lady come up, right? And she come and she start to sing. And hey, this guy, he's born in Belleville, Ontario, which is where we are right now. It's Belleville, Ontario, which is like Eastern Ontario, right? And look at this, like Jamaica just hot up inside of Southeastern Ontario, like out of the blue. Him just love it and sing it, and he's doing it real. And then my girl come in. So she come in now, and please tell them your name.
Mariette.
Mariette, and she's from Quebec
Originally, yeah.
originally. And when she started to sing, you know, she sound like JC Lodge. JC, I have to tell you, Lovers Rock, turn up, you know. So tell them how you got involved with it now.
It's all because of this.
Yeah?
Yeah, originally when we weren't even an item yet, he needed a new background vocalist, and he knew that I was a singer, so he auditioned me a little bit with like
Ulterior motives.
ulterior motives. Yeah. Him and his cousin, and then I won the auditions. I wonder why, and then so we
Because you
started
sound like JC
There
Lodge.
you go, there you go.
so we started recording together, and that's when we got to know each other, and
Yeah.
then one thing led to the next.
Yeah.
And we just celebrated 14 years, and we
Wow.
have 3 kids.
Yeah. Can I show them?
Sure, yeah.
Yeah, the kids. Come on, kids.
Hey guys, come say
Come
hi.
on in. We gotta show you the lovely kids. Oh, look at them. I was standing there listening to them, and the one guy said to me, "That's my dad." They're so proud of him, and they're so proud of their mom, and that is awesome. I have had so much fun tonight with them, and I hope you guys enjoy this. I hope I'm allowed to play the music for you, but don't worry. If I can't play it, they will give it a link.
On a festival here in Belleville, right? And I said Caribana second. No, the reason why I say first, last year I see it was a festival. This year with all the big floaty coming through, you could imagine they could even pass. Yes, Jennifer, you finally you delivered, right? Yeah, a lot of doubt was coming too. The float's gonna be here, but yes, it comes. Everything come through, pull through well. Resolution is here. You know, the mention came through. Danielle, a lot of people might not know you. I'm not trying to point you out, but this lady here, oh my goodness, she works behind the scene. She's amazing. Big shout out to Danielle here, all the members of the team, all the coming team. I don't see Jill. Jill is somewhere hiding in the crowd. But Sean, I'll talk to you at Mix 97 tomorrow. Okay, this band is around for 5 years. You know, it's Resolution, all female reggae band. This wonderful group has been around, what I said, for 5 years. They have been on here with Queen of the Reggae, Marcia Griffiths, and has shared the same stage with many major reggae artists. They are currently working on their first album to release in November. So give it up for Resolution! These beautiful females! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Are they soldiers? Oh, it's the Resolution band. Oh, come on now guys, I'll pass this mic over to the beautiful queen of the night.
Here we go! 1, 2, 3! Good evening, good evening, good evening! You can feel free to come up close once you warm up and get into it. 'Cause we're gonna be jamming and enjoying ourselves, giving you all the vibes. Yes, there we go, there we go. Can I get a little more vocal in my monitor, please? All right, all right. Yeah, yeah. All right. I must get through. Get on your way, so leave that way. Turn around, hello. Say that love on the way, you move that way. Come around and show me.
I know you wouldn't believe it if I didn't tell you this, but the gentleman dancing with his stick in this video is 98 years old. A Jamaican man, right? And 98 years old, I tell you something, that is living.